Right guys and girls, the skipping rope or the jump rope, great for tidying up our technique. Great for looking at where we're landing, so remember we want to land that midfoot with the heel kissing the floor. Also, if you remember where we want to be pulling from, we want to take the pull away from the hip. We want to see less of this and more of this. So we want to see the pull coming from the bigger muscles to the back of the body, hamstring, as we pull up. So you see as we go through the little progressions on the skipping drills, how much it helps, how great it is to use as part of a warm-up or include in some of your strength workouts as well. So, first off, just have a look at my feet as I'm skipping. So you see, landing ball of foot with my heel just kissing the floor. Now if I want to go quicker, guess what? Helps me pick up my cadence as well. Really works on improving that elasticity of the muscle as well. What we're going to progress to now, single leg. We don't run on 2 feet, remember we run on 1. It's a single leg. Again, my knees nice and soft, heel just kissing the floor. Again, progressing up, we can look at doing a minute on each leg, start maybe with half of that, 30 seconds, and then build slowly up. Again, make sure you've got the first one now first, a double leg before you move to single leg. From there, I can actually start running legs. So if you look now, again, have a look at the feet. The heel's still kissing the floor. And look where I'm pulling from. The pull's coming from the hamstring, not the knee. So you're not seeing the knee come up high and the pull coming from the hip, the pull's coming from the hamstring. To give you something to compare it to, this is what some of you will naturally do. The high knee versus the pull from the hamstring. Now you're ready to get fancy with it. What we're going to do now, I'm going to use the skipping rope to run. So what you'll see as I run off, is it really encourages me to land under my centre of mass, pull the hamstring. So I'm going to get going on the spot. You look where I leaning from the ankles. Away I go, let the rope go, and then straight into my run. Now by letting the rope go halfway through, what you'll find is the brain gets used to pulling like that. So it means as I go off on my run, let go of the rope, I'm pulling where I want to be pulling from, rather than pulling from here. Give it a go, just make sure you progress gradually through the phases.